when you are born, each time you are born, you give one more chance to yourself. Please listen. God is not giving one more chance. There is nobody else giving you one more chance. You give one more chance to yourself. You give one more chance to yourself. When you give one more chance to yourself, you declare completion. Your declaration of completion keeps your Kundalini completely alive and awakened. Please listen. Every birth is your declaration of completion. Every birth is your declaration of completion. You decide, come on, I declare completion. I will now work from completion, from the space of completion. Actually, when you fail in your declaration during your birth, see, during the birth you declare completion and start the whole thing new. If you fail from that space of completion, you bring some of your past incompletions back. That is what is prarabdha karma. The karma which you bring back from the past incompletions is prarabdha. If you don't fall at all from that completion and continue to be in the space of completion, you don't become incomplete at all. Then I can tell you, you are an incarnation. Whenever you bring your past incompletions back and allow them to live and express through your body, means whenever you are possessed by your incompletions, your Kundalini is sleeping or unconscious. It is beaten to sleep. Whenever you are possessed by completion space, your Kundalini is wide, awake, alive, functioning. So whenever you have a Kundalini experience, Kundalini awakening, be very clear. For those moments, your completion is possessing you. But unfortunately, as usual, you fall back to the donkeyhood. From divinehood to donkeyhood. From monkhood to donkhood. It is unfortunate we fall back. Declaration of completion, being possessed by the space of completion, is Kundalini awakening. When the completion possesses you and penetrates through your nervous system, the experience, the electric energy, the electricity you feel is Kundalini. Same way, whenever you feel that electricity, if you declare completion and start creating with that energy, you are yogi whose Kundalini is eternally awake. eternally awake. Human beings experiencing Kundalini awakening, human beings living Kundalini awakening, human beings enriching the world with Kundalini energy is the collective completion. Please listen. I am introducing a new word, collective completion. When you experience Kundalini awakening, when you enrich others with that Kundalini awakening, you lead to collective completion. Completion happens in the next level. That is why I tell you, when you enrich others, you are enriched completely. Enriching others lead to a powerful enriching. I'll present this few sacred truths, then connect everything and give you the final truth, the essence of today's satsang. First truth, please listen, ध्यान से सुनिए. The first truth is completion is Kundalini awakening. Kundalini awakening is completion. Second, when you take birth, you declare completion and start the life anew. So your Kundalini is also fully awakened. Third, if you fall from that completion, bring your past incompletions back. The past incompletions which you bring it back is called prarabdha. Fourth, person who never brought his prarabdha back or never experienced incompletion is incarnation. Fifth, if you brought your prarabdha incompletion back, now you can complete with those incompletions and bring the Kundalini awakening back. Sixth, by awakening your Kundalini also you can reach the space of completion. Seventh, whenever you are possessed by incompletion, your Kundalini is unconscious, fainted, in coma stage. Whenever you are possessed by Kundalini, your completion is complete. Whenever you are possessed by completion, your Kundalini is completely awake.